Hello everybody, welcome back to StacEva Original Stories and Songs. Today I'm going to be reading my latest story, The Bear in the Picture. Chapter 1, Moving and Luggage. We got into the car and started driving. Where we were going I didn't know, but I knew was somewhere far. We had our luggage with us. We were moving and I knew that, but still, why are we moving? Dad says he's got a job opportunity and Mom says it's best for my education. Well, I don't believe either. Dad works from home, he says his job is well-paying and stress-free, and Mom knows that New Jersey is one of the best places in the United States for education. I get top A's anyway. Emily, we are going to the gas station. We'll be right back, Mom says as she opens the car door. Don't go anywhere, Dad shouts from the window. He is still grumpy. You want to know why? Well, it's because he found out this morning that his favorite album wasn't working. It's just old 1995 music. How bad can it be? I won't. Where would I even go? I murmured. Dad is always acting sarcastic. He thinks it's a new trend, but it's really not. As I walk towards the store, I pull out my phone. There's a notification. It says it's going to rain heavily. It will be the 6th time this month. It barely rains here anyway. It's going to rain 15 minutes to 6, 20 minutes from now. Our new house is said to have a garage. In our old house, we didn't. I'm going to paint it black and green and have my paint supplies in there. It will be my art room, but hopefully Mom doesn't decide to park the car in there. I saw Mom and Dad coming back. They had my favorite chips. Mom, you have my favorite chips. You can't do that, I screamed. Well, you should have come with us, she said while smirking. But Dad told me to stay here. I feel like screaming out loud, but I can't. Dad looked away. He knows it's his fault. We continued driving onward to our new destination. I put my phone down and leaned on the window. As the car zoomed on, my thoughts began to roll in. What would my new school look like? What friends would I have? And what would my bedroom look like too? Well, once I get there, I will know. We arrived at the border, but then I began to doze off, sleeping the stress away. Thank you everyone for watching StacEva Original Stories and Songs. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share for part 2. I hope you enjoyed. And also, make sure you check out our other videos below. Thank you for watching. Bye!